Ganesh. We are at the SKS hospital. We have a beautiful ultrasound machine. So this is a convex probe of frequency 6.5 and 9. And let's come closer to let's play with the machine so that we are able to know about it. Now if you see, this is the option of depth. You can come closer so that we are able to see. So the depth, maximum and the minimum depth we'll find out. So minimum depth of this machine is 5 centimeters and maximum is 10 centimeters. Then I go on the frequency. So right now, if you see, I start from the lowest. I have 6.5 megahertz, then I have 7.5 megahertz, 9 megahertz. So higher the frequency, better the resolution. Lower the frequency, better the penetration. And on top of that, I have an additional advantage over here. If you see, I've just gone on the settings button where there are 18 different settings over here. But the most important things are these 4 buttons that we talked about. So now let's go in the harmonic option. So now harmonic option takes me to 2 megahertz frequency, and then there's one more option of 2.5. So we will really be able to go for the deeper structures as well. So now the frequency, I have switched off the harmonic frequency. Then the focus button. The focus button over here is on F6. Now this is the button over here, and with the mouse it has moves. Can you see this arrow moving up and down depending upon the area of interest? We can focus it, but the focus, we have double focus, we have 3 focus indicators, we also have 4, but it's not needed. But it's good to know the power of your machine, the minimum and maximum. There are different settings over here. So if you want to go through the settings, let's see what we have. So gray transformation, gray rejection, TSI, general fluid, that is an option, harmonic imaging, power button, chroma. Then we have gamma, edge enhancement, polarity, histogram, 4B, M speed, then frame average, line average, dynamic range, angle, option, and focus. So it is overwhelming when we see that there are so many settings and so many buttons over here, but to be very honest, we need very few of them, and the more we play with the machine, the more we get familiar with them. So for the data recording, if you want, you can go in the animal, you can select the species, you can select the section, you can maintain a proper data recording, and you are able to trace the information back. If you want to take expert opinion, you can take still images, you can take videos. So we have all these options here, and that will help us to know our machines better, and that will also help us to make sure that we are able to give the best to our patient with whatever limitations we have. Okay, so this is Dr. Vinay, this is SKS Hospital, this is Dr. Ganesh. This is about empowering vets and knowing our equipments to the best of our